Need more data on your Tesco Mobile plan? Here's how. You can easily add data through the Tesco Mobile app, available on iOS and Android, or their website. Log in, select Add Data from your dashboard, and choose the add-on that fits your needs. Options range from small 1 GB to large 20 GB plus, and even unlimited data for short periods like 24 hours. Confirm your payment, which will be deducted from your prepaid credit or linked bank account, and your data will be instantly activated. Adding data this way ensures you stay connected without exceeding your plan limits. Tesco Mobile offers an auto-renew feature for seamless data continuity, especially useful for monthly plans. Auto-renew ensures your data is automatically replenished at the end of your current period. While convenient, it's essential to monitor this feature to avoid unexpected charges. You can manage auto-renew settings via the Tesco Mobile app, pausing or canceling it to control costs. Costs vary depending on the data amount. Tesco Mobile is committed to transparent billing with VAT included and no hidden fees. Regularly check your data usage via the app to prevent overage charges. By understanding these options, you can effectively manage your data usage and costs with Tesco Mobile. Auto-renew adoption has grown 25% in 2025 due to convenience.